At dahil finally malapit na mabulok ang aking mga saging, it's time to make a new version of our banana bread recipe. Syempre, mas upgraded to. At with this recipe, you can make banana bread loaf at banana bread muffins. Super easy lang gawin at siguradong malambot at masarap kahit ilang araw na lumipas. Plus, may chocolate flavor din siya. Choco banana loaf at choco banana muffins. Same recipe lang siya. Ang pinaka-importante nating ingredients, mga overripe bananas. Galing sa freezer yan, best friend, kaya medyo basa. Imamash lang natin to into a paste. Mas overripe ang banana, mas naging intense yung sweetness niya. Gagawa rin tayo ng buttermilk substitute with fresh milk and vinegar. Set aside lang natin para mag-curdle. Next is we need some large eggs. Dinoble ko yung regular recipe ko, best friend, kaya 4 eggs ang ginamit ko dito. I-scramble na natin siya before natin ihalo sa ating mashed bananas and buttermilk substitute. Add our sugar, vanilla bean paste, vegetable oil, at medyo maliit yung nagamit kong bowl kaya nilipat ko sa bigger bowl. Yay! Mas maraming hugasin! Mix lang natin to together. Then for our dry ingredients, all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, at 2 kurot na asin. After that, pwede na natin ihalo sa ating wet ingredients. Mix lang natin until well combined at wala nang buo-buong dry mixture. Ihihiwalay ko yung half ng mixture at lalagyan ko ng cocoa powder. This will give our banana bread a chocolate flavor. Don't forget to grease your loaf pan at parchment paper para siguradong hindi didikit at madaling matanggal. Then, tatakalin natin yung plain mixture at chocolate mixture on our pan until 3/4 full. Top with chocolate chips and some crushed walnuts para mas masarap. Same procedure din with our muffins, takal-takal lang din para makuha natin yung marbled effects. Ibibake natin to ng sabay pero magkaiba sila ng time matatapos. At best friend, eto na ang kinalabasan ng choco banana muffin natin. Ang ganda ng 2 color niya at malambot at moist yung loob. For our loaf naman, crispy yung top part niya pero super soft at moist pa din yung loob. Perfect! Bango! Ang lambot niya, best friend, oh. Grabe. Try! The best pa rin talaga itong banana cake recipe natin.